Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename payment methods using PayRules. In this video, we will show how to hide payment methods based on cart line attribute in Shopify. Let's open the PayRules app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the cart line attribute condition. So first, we'll search for cart line attribute in the search bar and select it. Click Select Elite 1 combination to continue. First, choose whether you want to check only the attribute key or both the key and value. If you select Contains Key, it will only check whether the attribute key exists in the cart. If you select Contains Key and Value, it will check both the attribute key and its specific value. For this video, we will choose Contains Key and Value and select If Found. Then enter the attribute value additional text 1 in the key field. In the value field, we will enter hide as the attribute value. If needed, you can also add one or multiple values in the value field. Press enter after each value to add multiple values. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now set a name for the rule. Finally, go to Add Payment Method and add the payment method you want to hide. For example, we will add Cash on Delivery. If you don't see your payment method in this list, simply write the payment name manually like Alipay and click on Add Alipay option. Click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's add a product with the additional text 1 key and the hide attribute value. Here, additional text 1 is the key, and in the field we enter the attribute value hide. Now, let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, Cash on Delivery and Alipay are now hidden because the cart contains additional text 1 key and hide attribute value. That's it. This is how to hide payment methods based on cart line attribute. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!